Hey, welcome to the Goat King's makeup tutorial. If you want to look as fresh faced as this, then you're going to have to work for it, okay? And I'm going to show you. Here is Giancarlo. He's my little subject for the day, all right? We're going to make him look fresh. He's going to pop. We're going to love it. All right. So, hopefully did you put moisturizer on today?
No.
We're not stopping the video for that. All right. So make sure you get a nice, dirty bottle of Neutrogena. All right. I washed my hands fairly recently. Is that okay?
I don't care.
Okay, good. So we're just gonna dab it on. We also don't know this is his skin tone. I think it's close enough though. Okay.
If not, I'll look extra tan.
Your skin is very different than mine.
What do you mean?
I think it's actually much nicer.
Oh, thank
it's
you.
not like sitting right, and I think it's because my skin is like, I need a moisture. Give it to me. Your skin's like, honey, I don't need it. Okay. Make sure you have a nice dirty wedge that you haven't washed since you bought it. So, as you see, Giancarlo doesn't even need that much makeup because he's not as old, and you have very good skin. You really do.
Thank you.
This is kind of weird. I never contoured with someone with a beard, but let's see what happens. We're going to contour around the beard. This is a really important part of the process. I'm going to take the primer and two of the mascaras. I like to use two mascaras and put them somewhere in your sweaty grundle. I usually put them in my bra, but because I don't have a bra on, I'll put them in my pants. So you want to warm them up. I'm not kidding, I really do this. You want to warm them up because when they're warmer, they go on better as opposed to like a cold mascara. It's just going to be more difficult to work with. This is real, Giancarlo. This is like a real thing. Okay, let's try a little blushy blush. This is like some really trashy CVS brand. It looks like shit. But
oh, good.
I make it work. Alright, I just took the pants liquid out. You can't get this in America. It's Austrian.
What is this?
Eyeshadow primer. So you're going to close your eyes. Okay, I don't have a lot of this, so we're just do the best we can. I'm going to use like a... Alright.
Oh my god.
I'm going to use like a very light colored powder. Close your eyes. Close your eyes and look forward.
Alright.
Close them and relax. Alright, very good. Go from there. Okay, close them. So I don't know if you want to know this about makeup, but when you do it, you do like a big flush, and then you like slowly get smaller.
I like that.
Okay, alright. Use a different brush. We're gonna, like, it's a slightly darker purple, but not even that dark, honestly. Alright, close them. I bet you that's a lot. Okay, sorry. I was listening to I Kissed a Girl.
Could you imagine if we like had an emergency in the middle of this and I had to like drive us to like the hospital or something?
Oh, whatever.
It
Hopefully
would be
people
like-
are not that judgmental yet anymore. Okay, so now I'm gonna try. I think I'm gonna go a little dark on you. So you're like a darker man. Okay, close. So do like they call it. I've watched a lot of YouTubes, even though I'm like still not very good at makeup, but
Like the crease of my brow.
yeah, we're gonna develop some of the color they call it. So we put like a little in, and then with the really dark one, we'll do just like a tiny bit. Are you fucking yawning? This is boring.
Oh, I'm tired.
This is tiring.
Okay, hit me.
Okay. Okay, we're gonna use some pink highlighter, I think. Oh, I know what I'm gonna go here. Hold on. Wow, oh my god. I think I'm gonna do your eyebrows because now they're getting a little washed out because of the
Okay.
other shit. You're like, I'll do whatever you want, Mom.
Like I have no control over here.
Okay.
You're a mad woman.
Yes! Oh my god. I'm gonna put a little lipstick on you just for like fun, but then you can always take it off. Here. I wiped this, by the way, before I put it right on you. Wait, let me. Yeah, oh my god, look how ready you are to pucker up. You're like, yeah. Go ahead.
How dare you?
It's true, you were. Okay, almost done. We're almost there, sweetie. If you get an eye infection, don't call me. Okay? Are you ready?
Smells good.
Oh, it's my own personal sense in there. Alright, I only put a little on because I don't want it to get too dark, and I'm gonna work it out with a brush. Hold on. Get a good one here. Yeah, we want it really light. I think that's actually good. I don't want it too heavy. Okay, that's the Giancarlo makeup look. Don't you look good?
Yeah, I do.
Maybe a little too much blush. Hold on, let me blend that out a little. But I kind of like it. I feel like you look like one of those, you know, those ads for like the really strong guys in the circus. Who can,
Oh,
like,
yeah.
That's what you look like. Cause like with the eyeliner and stuff. Okay, that's it. You're all done. Do you have anything to say? Do you like it or do you hate it?
I love it.
Oh my god. Bye.